Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing review video. Today I'm checking out this bird feeder. So this features some nice colorful glass here, some bronzed top. This has a solar panel on top with an on-off button and a light sensor. So the lights inside here will come on when it gets dark out. And also this top comes off. And you can pour the bird seed right down inside there. It's going to come out there. The birds can perch on that. And it looks nice as well. Let's see here. I'm going to show you guys how the light works. Just as soon as I can get this chain here going through here. All right. So that can just go right there, no problem. So, and once you fill that up with bird seed, then you could just go hang this somewhere. I'll demonstrate the light here. I believe it's on right now. The button is on. So when I turn the light off here in the bedroom or the room here, the light comes on. If I turn the light off, you can see that it goes off here, on and off. And when it gets dark, it'll come on automatically. So it'll look like a pretty it'll light it up. It's not super bright, but if it's dark outside, you'll be able to definitely see it. It casts a nice little shadow there, or the lights glitter through the stained glass. And then when the light comes on, it'll go off. So I'm gonna go fill this up with bird seed and put it outside, see if the birdies like it. Okay, so we just put the bird seed right in the top here. If you have a funnel, it makes it a lot easier to pour it in there. And then it just comes out the bottom. When the birds pick that out, it just dispenses just like that. Let's go put it outside and see what it looks like at nighttime. Oh, right, here it is outside at nighttime. Put it up on the roof here. And looks actually kind of pretty, and it just makes a nice little decorative light. Kind of goes along with everything else we got going on here. Beautiful bird feeder, and it looks really elegant. All right, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and we'll see you all next time.